Whiteboards give everyone in your meeting a front row seat to interact with one another in your WebEx session. In this tutorial, we're going to learn the whiteboard button, the whiteboard menu, how to add whiteboard pages, how to rename a whiteboard tab, and how to reorder the whiteboard tabs. First, how to open a whiteboard. One is to click on the new whiteboard button on the upper right corner of the whiteboard area. When you click on it, it instantly adds a new tab that says whiteboard and opens up a plain whiteboard for you. You can also open a whiteboard from the Share menu. Go to Share, Whiteboard, and instantly another whiteboard is created for you in a separate tab. Each whiteboard that you add has one page only in it. If you want to add more pages into a single whiteboard, then you want to go to the Edit menu and Add Page. Now you'll see that in our whiteboard, we have 2 pages. We can do the same thing and add even a third page or as many pages as you need in that single whiteboard. We also can rename this whiteboard. If we have 3 pages, it's going to be very important. To rename a whiteboard, you right-click on the tab that is the whiteboard and select Rename, and then give it a name, whatever it might be, a useful name for that particular meeting. You can also reorder the content in these tabs. Let's say we want PRC schedule to appear first. To change it, right-click, click on Reorder Viewer Tabs, click on the tab you want to change, tell it to move up, click Apply and OK, and now notice the PRC schedule whiteboard, which has 3 pages, now appears before the single page whiteboard that we created earlier. So let's review the 5 critical secrets about WebEx whiteboards. Open a whiteboard with the whiteboard button or with the whiteboard menu. If you want to add whiteboard pages, that's found in the Edit menu. If you want to rename the whiteboard tab, just right-click on that tab and select Rename. And if you want to reorder it, again, it's a right-click on any one of those tabs. You'll be given all the tabs that are open, and you can place them in any order that you like.